What's going on, guys? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. Today I'm going to be demoing off battery barrage. It's a 15 shot by World Class, as you see. That's what the tubes look like inside. We got some medium, we got some large, and we also got some smaller tubes. Plus there's angles on it. So let me see if there's a performance on here. I don't think there's any performance. So yeah, there's no performance on here. So anyways, let's demo off battery barrage by World Class 15 shot. Let's go. All right, guys, here goes battery barrage 15 shot by World Class. If I can get this bitch to light. I need a lighter. Somebody else give me it. All right, it's locked again.
No stop.
Okay. Here goes battery barrage. Sorry about the lighter issue. Battery barrage.